Wired headsets can be very uncomfortable to wear, especially when the wires get all tangled for no reason. And most of the time, there is a possibility of damaging the headset while tripping the wire accidentally. In this case, wireless headsets are a much better choice as they ensure great performance and reliability in all segments, including gaming and productivity. So if you want to avoid the further hassle of wired headsets, then here are our top 5 picks for you.
Welcome to Techfluencer, where we test and review countless tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our tech expert team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends and advancements. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description.
From performance to its design, the InZone H9 from Sony definitely deserves a sweet spot in today's list for being one of the best wireless gaming headsets. Judging by the look, you can already tell this wireless gaming headset has the PS5 aesthetic, and it syncs quite well with it. So if you own a PS5 console, then this one will be a perfect match for you. On the other hand, this headset comes with a soft leatherette ear cushion and headband, which makes it an ideal headset for long-time gaming sessions. Besides, the sound quality of this headset is truly impressive. It provides 360 spatial sound, delivering an immersive gaming experience. Ambient sound mode is another cool feature that makes users aware of their surroundings. And thanks to the high-quality boom mic, it does a really good job of delivering a clear voice in a noisy background. So if you're looking for the latest wireless gaming headset, InZone H9 will not disappoint you. If you don't want to miss a single beat of your favorite music, then you should check out AirPods Max. This premium headset from Apple is available in 5 different colors: green, pink, white, sky blue, and black. Based on your preference, you can choose whichever goes with your style. Thanks to their dynamic driver, this headset is capable of producing high-fidelity audio, which sounds wonderful to the ears. The build quality, on the other hand, is top-notch, as it fits in naturally with all shapes of the head. The headset also includes a precision volume control button for volume adjustment, playing, pausing, or answering phone calls. All of these are accessible with just one single button. On top of that, it got an active noise cancellation feature with transparency mode. Turning on this feature will always let you stay alert to your surroundings while enjoying your favorite music at the same time. So if you want to immerse yourself in your favorite music, then look no more. AirPods Max is easily the right choice. Finding a decent headset with reasonable talking time, comfort, and adjustability can be quite daunting. And if you're looking for one, then you might want to check out the EXA H1 Plus. This wireless headset is ergonomically built and is specifically designed for individuals who often need to engage in their surrounding space. The anti-slip pad and breathable ear cushion are quite comfy to wear, while the adjustable headband and rotatable bracket will help you customize it for a better fit. It also comes with an additional ear pad in case you damage the equipped one. As for the performance, the 40mm driver on this thing was really good for voice calls, while the ENC mic, tuned with AI, did pretty well in blocking background chatters. To pair it up, you can either use the built-in Bluetooth 5.0 connection or plug in the provided dongle for a faster and more stable wireless connection. The 500 mAh battery is also a plus and will give talking time of up to 30 hours without breaking a sweat. We are all familiar with Surface tabs and laptops, but have you tried using Surface headphones? It's a great-looking headset with a compact size and minimal design, which seems like a perfect one to use in an office space environment. It weighs only 290 grams, making it super comfortable to wear. Thanks to the 115 dB audio sensitivity and up to 20,000 Hz frequency response, it is capable of producing rich audio, which definitely sounds soothing to the ears. On the other hand, the built-in adjustable noise cancellation feature is really helpful, especially when you're trying to concentrate on your work in a public place like a coffee shop or restaurant. And lastly, Surface headphones also include a few smart features such as automatic pause and play. and it also supports Microsoft's Cortana voice assistant as well. So if you're looking for a compact headset for your daily office tasks with great portability, the Surface headphone surely is a great choice. If you are someone who constantly stays on the move, then you might want to check out this amazing headphone from Sony XM5. It's sleek, and it looks perfect for on-the-go usage. And it doesn't matter if you're on the streets, coffee shop, or simply passing by noisy background. The noise cancellation feature on this headset is really effective. It also supports touch controls, which allow you to play, pause, stop, or skip music. Besides that, it also lets you answer your phone calls, and it has a built-in voice assistant as well. Thanks to the 2 high-performance processors and 30mm drivers, it produces exceptional sound quality. On top of that, it has a few additional features such as DSEE Extreme to enhance the sound quality, ambient sound modes for situational audio adjustments, and 2x2 beamforming mics with noise reduction attributes. And lastly, with a single charge, it can deliver up to 30 hours of battery life. So if you're looking for perfect on-the-go headphones, then this one is undoubtedly the best option available on the market. And then we have the Razer Barracuda X wireless. This wireless headset comes with a multi-platform compatibility, and surprisingly, it is available in a very affordable price range. The thick plush headband cushion is really soft, and it weighs only 250 grams, which makes it a super comfortable headset. On top of that, it got Razer Triforce 40mm driver, which is perfect for both listening to music and gaming. Besides that, this headset can also be used on 4 different platforms such as PC, PlayStation, Android, and Switch. And thanks to the detachable mic, you can also turn this into a perfect on-the-go headset as well. Being a budget-friendly gaming headset with multi-platform compatibility, Barracuda X Wireless surely will be a great value for your money. And for our final headset on the list, we have another budget gaming headset, HyperX Cloud Stinger Core Wireless. The sleek gaming aesthetic on this looks absolutely stunning. Besides that, it also has a built-in 7.1 virtual surround sound with 50mm directional drivers, which is really useful, especially when you're playing competitive FPS games like Valorant and CSGO. Just like the Barracuda X Wireless, this one also gives you the freedom to unplug the mic, and it can be muted instantly, just by simply flipping it up. On top of that, the battery life in this headset is pretty strong, with up to 17 hours of total backup. So if you're looking for an affordable wireless gaming headset with decent sound quality and strong battery life, then Cloud Stinger Core Wireless can be your perfect option. So that was all about our top 7 picks for the best wireless headset. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.